Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to completely reset your Android phone to factory settings using a few simple steps. Before we begin, an important warning. A factory reset will erase your apps, photos, videos, accounts, files, and other data stored on your phone. So make sure you back up all your important data before continuing. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Android phone. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on General Management. On some Android phones, you may find this option under System. Step 3. Tap Reset. Step 4. Select Factory Data Reset. Step 5. Scroll down and tap Reset or Delete All depending on your phone model. Step 6. If prompted, enter your phone's PIN, password, or pattern. Step 7. Confirm that you want to reset the phone. Step 8. Your phone will restart and begin the factory reset process. This may take several minutes, so please be patient. Once the reset is complete, your phone will start like a brand new device. You'll need to select your language, connect to Wi-Fi or mobile data, and sign in with your Google account. One more important tip. If you are giving or selling your phone to someone else, make sure you remove your Google or Samsung account and remember your account password before resetting the device. And that's it. I hope this simple guide was helpful. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more helpful Android tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.